On 23rd March, All India Muslim League passed the resolution in its General Council session held at Lahore, which is called Pakistan Resolution. That resolution called for autonomous and sovereign federating unit. The resolution is considered as basic document of the Federation of Pakistan. Indus People's Forum decided to hold a conference on 23rd March 2010 at Lahore. Peoples from different areas from all over Pakistan gathered in Holiday Inn Hotel, Lahore, to discuss the problems of the state in the light of 23rd March 1940 resolution. Renowned intellectual, human rights activist, civil society representative, political leaders addressed the conference. Dr. Abdul Karim Rajpur, convener Indus People's Forum, presented his opening speech. Renowned intellectual and human rights activist I.A. Rahman, ex-finance minister for Bhutto era, Dr. Mubashir Hassan, Professor Dr. Mehdi Hassan, Professor Azizuddin Ahmed, Jami Chandio, Nasir Memon, Imtiaz Alam of South Asia Free Media Association, Gul Muhammad Jhakrani and Senator Lashkari Raisani of Pakistan People's Party, intellectual senior advocate Abid Hussain Mantu, Dr. Qadir Maksi of Sindh Tarakki Pasand Party, Professor Jameel Umar of Liberal Forum of Pakistan, Ayaz Latif Palijo of Awami Tehreek, Rauf Sasoli of Jamhuri Watan Party and Dr. Ishaq Baloch of National Party were the speakers. Amir Raza Memon, member CEC of Indus People's Forum, moved the resolution. Fayaz Naich, executive director of Indus People's Forum, was the moderator of the program. Wars among the different tribes of Sindh has virtually collapsed the socio-economic fabric of whole of the province, especially in northern part. Hundreds of the people are being killed in these wars every year. It has also caused a very serious law and order problem in the area. Therefore, Indus People's Forum decided to hold a conference on 31st July 2010 at Interpark Inn Hotel Sakhar to address this issue. Political leaders belonging to different mainstream and nationalist parties, elected representatives, civil society leaders and chiefs of almost all the main tribes attended the conference. Dr. Abdul Karim Rajpur, chairman Indus People's Forum, in his opening speech said, Sindh has become a social hell due to these tribal feuds. These wars have crippled the social fabric of the society. He said this issue must be addressed very seriously and immediately because we are on the brink of destruction. Ghulam Murtaza Jatoi, chairman of National People's Party, Pakistan People's Party leader and Federal Minister for Industries and Production Mir Hazar Khan Bijrani, Sardar Ali Gohar Khan Meher, chief of Meher tribe and ex-district Nazim, Mia Mitho and Gul Muhammad Jhakrani, both members of National Assembly from Pakistan People's Party, Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim Jatoi, MNA and President of National People's Party, Sindh. Sardar Rahim Baksh Bozdar, Sardar Ahmed Ali Petafi, member of Provincial Assembly of Sindh, Yusuf Laghari, Advocate General of Sindh, Dr. Sorab Sarki and Sardar Manzoor Panwar, ex-provincial ministers. Aqib Khan Jatoi, former district Nazim Noshero Feroz, Nasir Hussain Shah, former district Nazim Sakhar, Dr. Kamil Rajpur and Shafiq Ahmed Khoso, ex-provincial secretaries, Dr. Qadir Maksi, Chairman Sindh Tarakki Pasand Party, Bashir Khan Qureshi, Chairman GA Sindh Qaumi Muhaz, Abrar Qazi, President Awami Jamhuri Party, Dr. Safdar Sarki, GA Sindh Tehreek, Sayyid Ghulam Shah, Sindh United Party, Sardar Wahid Baksh Khan Bhayo, Agha Ahmad Yar Khan Shar, ex-members of Provincial Assembly of Sindh, Nasir Memon, CEO of SPO Pakistan, Jami Chandio, Executive Director of CPCS, Sardar Fayaz Ali Khan Lund, Sardar Tego Khan Tegani, Mohammad Khan Junejo, Khalid Khokar, former president of Hyderabad Press Club were the speakers. A declaration was passed by the conference which was presented by Fayaz Naich, Executive Director of Indus People's Forum. It read, "We, the elected representatives of political parties and civil society forums, chiefs of tribes, pledged to end tribal feuds which have claimed hundreds of lives in Upper Sindh and severely affected education, agriculture and business. According to our viewpoint, police and judiciary were not playing an effective role for ending the tribal feuds and the Jirga system had failed to maintain peace because it had so many loopholes. Therefore, we demanded the formation of an organization on the pattern of Citizen Police Liaison Committee. It should comprise representatives of police, judiciary, tribes and civil society. The conference demanded the police force should be clean of black sheep and honest and dedicated police officers should not be subjected to political pressure. The conference resolved to set up a fund for families and children of victims of tribal feuds. It urged the government to take special measures to rehabilitate economic activities in the troubled areas and clear the no-go areas. It demanded establishment of industrial zones and technical training centers in the affected areas which plans to provide jobs to unemployed youth. The conference resolved to boycott criminal elements. A 12-member National Reconciliation Committee was formed. Dr. Abdul Karim Rajpur, Ghulam Murtaza Jatoi, Ali Gohar Khan Meher, Mir Hazar Khan Bajrani, Nisar Ahmed Khoro, Speaker Provincial Assembly, Bashir Khan Qureshi, Chairman GS Sindh Qawmi Muhas, Imtiaz Ahmed Sheikh of PML Functional, Ghaus Bakhsh Khan Meher of PMLQ, Dr. Ibrahim Jatoi, Dr. Sohrab Sarki, Nasir Memun RPO Sakhar.